Welcome to Pritam Institute of Technology. This video will explore the world of computers. This computer syllabus covers an introduction, history, generations, types, and characteristics of computers. We will also discuss secondary storage devices, hardware, software, types of memory, input and output devices, and computer viruses. A computer is an electronic device that performs arithmetic and logical operations at high speed. It can also permanently store and retrieve large amounts of data as needed. The history of computers is a story of the stage-by-stage development of this wonderful tool offered by electronics to humanity. The digital computer has evolved through a series of technical innovations. Computers are currently considered to be in the 4th, 5th, and 6th generations. We will examine the typical characteristics and features of each generation. The first generation of computers, from 1940 to 1956, utilized vacuum tubes. The second generation of computers, spanning 1956 to 1963, saw the introduction of transistors. The third generation of computers, from 1964 to 1971, was characterized by integrated circuits. Fourth-generation computers, from 1970 to 1985, were marked by the development of the microprocessor. Fifth-generation computers, from 1985 to 1990, continued to advance based on microprocessor technology. Sixth-generation computers, from 1990 onwards, have further built upon microprocessor developments. There are different types of computers, including analog, digital, mainframe, mini, and microcomputers. A computer is an electronic device that takes input, stores it, and processes it to produce meaningful results. Input consists of various characters, figures, numbers, information, and charts provided to the computer. Instructions must also be provided, as computers lack their own brains and operate based on our direction. During the process stage, the computer performs arithmetic and logical operations on the input data. Output is the result obtained after the computer completes the processing of the input data and instructions. Computers are used in many areas, including agriculture, entertainment, printing technology, advertisements, calculations, banking, accounting, movies, research, industry, hospitals, and hotels. Key characteristics of computers include speed, storage, accuracy, automation, versatility, and diligence. A computer system organization mainly consists of 3 units: the input unit, the central processing unit, or CPU, and the output unit. Let's explore the general function of a computer. The flow starts with input, which is processed by the CPU, consisting of the control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and storage, leading to the final output. The memory unit stores input data. The smallest unit is a bit. 8 bits make 1 byte, and 1024 bytes equal 1 kilobyte, continuing up to terabytes. The arithmetic logic unit, or ALU, is used for arithmetic and logical calculations. It has 3 subunits: the register, adder, and accumulator. The register is for temporary data storage. The adder is used for exact calculations, and the accumulator stores intermediate results. The control unit, or CU, directs the processor's operation. It instructs the computer's memory, ALU, and input/output devices on how to respond to commands. An output device sends data from a computer to another device or user. Secondary storage devices include the hard disk, optical disk, flash memory cards, pen drive, CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc, and SSD. Computers are composed of both hardware and software components. Software can be broadly categorized into 2 types: application software and system software. System software is essential for the operation and management of the computer system. Examples of system software include Windows 10. Another example of system software is Windows 7. Windows XP is also a type of system software. Linux is an important example of system software. Android is a common example of system software, particularly for mobile devices. MS-DOS is an example of non-graphical operating system software. Application software allows users to perform specific tasks. A programming language is a key component of software development. Types of memory include RAM, or random access memory, ROM, or read-only memory, and CMOS, or complementary metal oxide semiconductor. RAM, random access memory, is primary, temporary, and volatile memory. ROM, or read-only memory, is secondary, permanent, and non-volatile memory. Input devices allow data and instructions to be entered into a computer. Examples include the keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, and web camera. The keyboard is one of the most common input devices used for entering text and commands. The mouse is a common pointing device used to control an on-screen cursor. A scanner is an input device that converts documents or images into digital data.